In this tutorial, we will learn about duplicate and duplicate special. First, create a sphere and switch to the top view. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the object and move it. Now, press Shift D repeatedly. Notice that Maya remembers the previous transformation and duplicates the object at the same interval. Next, delete the objects and create a new shape. Create a cube, move it slightly, and press D to edit the pivot. Set the rotate value to 45 degrees and press Shift D again. Notice that Maya also remembers the rotation value. This is the basic duplicate function. Create a new sphere, then go to Edit Duplicate Special. Set Translate X to 3 and Number of Copies to 10, then click Apply. The object is duplicated multiple times at once. Press Ctrl Z to undo. Open the duplicate special options again. Choose Edit Reset Settings before continuing. Change the type option to Instance. Move the sphere, center the pivot. Set Scale X to -1, and click Apply. A mirrored instance is created on the opposite side. Now move the vertices of the original sphere. Notice that the instance updates automatically. This technique is commonly used for symmetrical modeling. Remember to set the type to instance instead of copy. Now let's create a simple example using this feature. First, create a cylinder for the central column. Next, create a single stair step using a cube. Move the stair pivot to the center of the column. Now, let's enter the values in the duplicate special options. You can adjust these values until you get the desired shape. Click Apply to create a spiral staircase instantly. Next, create a railing post. Apply the same duplicate special settings. Finally, create a helix to form the handrail. This is a simple way to create a spiral staircase using duplicate and duplicate special. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.